It's getting ready to storm out here. Hope we don't get a copyright strike because of the neighborhood. But there we go, lightning. Sitting on the front porch, I feel the rain coming down. Wind should pick up soon. My wife's been doing this for the last hour and a half, watching this stuff. I think there might be a wall cloud out there. Yep, tornado sirens are going in Sweet Springs. I can hear it. That's about 20 miles away. Anyways, that's what we're doing. Just gotta check in and let you know it's starting to rain. Look at that lightning.
I'm recording too.
We're having a dual vlog. Anyways, I focused in a little bit, trying to study these clouds a little bit. We're crazy, aren't we? We're sitting on the front porch. I feel the raindrops coming in. Wow. Alright, I'm going to end this recording for right now, and I'll pick it right back up in the storm some more. Rain is picking up. The storm is getting closer and closer. Actually feels good out here. Let's look at this cloud. Calm before the storm. Yep. My wife is vlogging over there without saying a word. So hers won't be interesting.
Well, it's going to have you talking in it.
But anyways, we're looking at it. Not much going on, so I'm going to check out here in a minute. And then, oh wait, I think I saw a lorry. Let's see what I saw. If I can see another lightning strike. No, I didn't. Yeah, there might be a possible. Ooh, those clouds look scary. Alright, well, talk to you in a few more minutes. Bye. Yes, it might get a little testy here. I might get wet. Yeah, I feel the wind. Probably about 25. It's picking up. It's shaking my phone. Might be gusting up here. Wow, it's coming in. Rain's blowing in on me. I'm going to stay here as long as I can. Okay, we gotta go in. I hear some. I'm coming in. I'm staying out here. I'm staying out here. Oh gosh, that one is coming. Oh, it's going 45, 40. Woo! cold real fast, cold. Here comes the straight line wind. Here comes the rain. Whoa. Alright, it's about 40 miles per hour. Oh boy. Oh boy, I feel like the weatherman on the hurricane. Oh man, this is awesome. Hey, it's about time for a storm. Oh yeah. I stay out here as long as I can. Hope I don't ruin my phone, but it's a Samsung 8, it's waterproof. Oh wow. Yeah, the wind's calmed down a little bit, but I bet you it picks up. Oh, here it comes! Here it comes! Woo! I can't even hold my phone. Oh wow! No sirens yet. Rain's being blown. That's my rainy farts. Anyways, this is Dakota family. We're crazy. Oh! The rain's cold. Daddy's crazy, ain't he, Mama? At your age, that's amazing. Just kidding.
Shut up.
Anyways, Dakota's asleep. We're safe. Just a little bit of lightning, some rain, and a big gust. Probably about 40 miles an hour, maybe 45. It's cooled off real fast. Probably dropped down to the 60s real fast. It was 80 degrees. Here comes the wind again. I'm filming you this. This is the best time to film. Alright, let's go check the radar. I'm going to keep this going for a couple more minutes and I'm checking out. There's the rain. This is a little source of concern, a tree right by our house and everything, near some power lines. Winds have calmed down, but they're picking up again a little bit. But not near as strong as they were when the storm came in. Oh wow, this is Dakota family, this is Daddy. Mommy's checking the laptop, looking at the weather. Alright, I think I'm going to check out. I think that's all the storm had was some strong winds. Talk to you later.